Hello, everyone. We would like warmly invite you to our event, Gaia Kingdom, which will be coming very soon, 16th of July. And this is Zero Waste Know-How Gaia Kingdom Workshop and Market. And we've got our team members today. We're going to tell you a bit more about it, why it's important, what we're doing, why we would like you to join us, and what drives us to create such a opportunity for you to learn more about zero waste. Ola, hello, Ola.
Hello, hi.
Ola is our team from Gaia Kingdom, our team member. What would you like to say about our event, and who would you like to invite?
Well, like you said, it's going to be on the 16th of July, which is Saturday, from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. And that's going to be in Ealing Common area, so near Ealing Common Station, Ealing Broadway Station. Well, for me, that subject is new. I'm really looking forward to learning how can I start being zero waste. I am obviously conscious of pollutions, of environment, etc. However, I would like to start putting more things in practice. So from my side, I would like, if someone who, like me, doesn't know much about it, then that is definitely an event for you.
Yeah. So we would like to inspire you and by sharing our experience as well, and sharing some tips how and motivate you, of course. So, and then when you feel it's really something for you, then we can help you through the journey, hopefully. So thank you, Ola. We've got also Eva and Dominika with us. So maybe we start with Eva, because Eva is gonna have first workshop for us, and it's gonna be about cooking zero waste. So Eva, please introduce yourself.
Hello, beautiful people, beautiful neighbors from planet Earth. Zero waste, this is something very close to myself, because this is like my lifestyle. I'm already trying to live this way, but from the beginning I've got inclinations to not to waste, and it was the way I grew up. It was the base of my family, my heritage. So I know how to cook from scratches, not to waste many food, to minimize, and of course I've got possibilities to because of my knowledge of cooking, and that's what I am going to share with you.
And also you've got lovely garden full of herbs, so you can
this is actually the moment where I am. Yes, important. You can even hear the birds, surrounding me. Yes, this is the source of my plants. Yes,
fantastic. And also we will be cooking together with you, because the plan is people can bring some stuff from their home, and you will be showing them how to use it properly. Could you just tell us what people should bring to the event, so then you can help them to understand how to use it, and you will be hopefully cooking out of these ingredients there.
Yeah, few tips. I invite you to bring something that you really don't know what to do with that. So probably it's gonna end in the dustbin, but together with me, we can play and cook together, and using these things that you really have no idea what to do. But I'm asking you if it's going about these ingredients, these items that you will bring, because I am vegan, and I am my kitchen is plant-based. So please bring something that we really want to eat, so that is healthy and really fulfilling. Just taking care of yourself and of us, because in the end we are gonna eat together. We'll cook and eat together. So please bring something that is really worth it.
Thank you so much. So that will be our cooking workshop with Eva. And the last one, will be with Dominika, who is our herbalist and alchemist and specialist about homemade skincare. So Dominika, introduce yourself and tell us a bit more about the workshop, please.
Thank you for the introduction. Hello, everyone. I really cannot wait for this workshop. Zero waste is very close to my heart. The journey probably started 5 or 6 years ago with the concept that I came across called eco-bricks that I will tell you more about during the workshop. But it was a very interesting exercise at the beginning that made me realize how much plastic I use in the house. And it was really the moment when I started looking closely into my shopping basket and making different choices. Because for me, zero waste is about responsibility, respect for our community, planet Earth, and also awareness. So we are fully mindful and present in that process of purchasing different things that often we don't necessarily like or need, but we buy them anyway. So during this workshop, which will be dedicated to being a conscious consumer when it comes to buying your skincare and cosmetics, I'm going to focus on the common myths when it comes to skincare. The difference between something being fully organic and vegan, because those two things you will be very surprised, but they don't always go together. And also, we're gonna talk about how skincare really contributes to the pollution of the planet, and not only through the packaging, but also through the ingredients. But it's not only going to be only the theory. We're gonna have also the practical session dedicated to making your own skincare and using lovely herbs commonly known as a basis for our creams, serums, and also we're gonna make a lovely toothpaste which is ridiculously cheap to make from the ingredients that you can find at home, which is healthy for our gums, rebuilding the teeth enamel. So we will have the practical exercises when we make things together as well. So I cannot really wait to share.
Fantastic.
I'm looking forward to that.
So we invite everyone to join us for the shopping, learning, and healthy food experience. We promise you to have fun, healthy food, and good vibes. But also from my side, I would like to tell you just briefly, I'm interested about zero waste for about, let's say, 5 years. And I always was conscious about that. And I started replacing many products in my house. And I noticed it's such a big difference. So I'm reading a lot about it. I am really involved into some groups. And so, I finally wanted to go to the event where everything will be like in one place. That's why we're creating this for you, because there will be also knowledge and practical side and lots of tips from experts. And also during the event, you're gonna see our experts at the repair station who have big experience at repairing things, and they will hopefully convince you for not wasting and throwing away goods you may have at home which are broken, because it's quite affordable in many cases to repair it and give to your gadgets a new life. They're gonna share some tips for us and tell from their experience, how cheap and how much good impact on the environment it is when we repair things and we don't produce more rubbish. So we also encourage you to bring some maybe small devices or some stuff which you have broken and you didn't throw away yet, because they will try to maybe fix it during the day or give you professional expertise, and they will tell you if it's worth repairing. So they will diagnose your stuff, and hopefully you will see that it's really easy to repair things, and if not, they will help you to do that. So also, what else can we add to that introduction, Ola?
Well, one thing also, it's about the market that we also excited about that.
Yeah.
It's a new concept, well, for us to introduce this at the event, where we invite everyone to bring their stuff, the items that they have at home but they no longer use, things like clothes, books, jewelry, toys, etc., that are still in good condition, that we don't need at home. They're just there taking space, and but someone else can would welcome them in their home. And we have 3 different options to do that. If you want, you can bring your items and sell them. You can just donate them, and anyone can just go through the stuff and pick whatever they want, or swap if that would be also like the case, that what you want to do. So
yeah,
yes,
great. I'm looking forward to that, because I don't know about you guys, but I've got lots of stuff which I want to find a new home for. So yeah, I'm gonna bring lots of my stuff as well, including children clothes and books and toys, very good condition. So if you've got children, please do come, because hopefully you're gonna find something for your kids. And we're still looking for new people, because we've got still available places. So if you would like to take part of our market, just contact us as soon as possible, and we arrange a space for you. And also, if you are interested about our workshops, they're gonna be free of them. You can pick just 2, but we of course would like you to join for the whole day with us. And there are different prices, but so we recommend book the tickets via Eventbrite, because at the door will be a different price, a bit higher. So yeah, if you book your ticket as soon as possible, and maybe Ola will tell you a bit more how to do it and where to find us, please.
Yeah, well, when it comes to the ticket, there's an event on Eventbrite, which we're gonna put a link in the post where this video is. And then also, if you want to know more information about the market, you can email us, which I'm also going to add an email in the post, but it's GaiaKingdomFair@gmail.com. And obviously, I mean, if you are watching this video on a different group than Gaia Kingdom, then visit our Gaia Kingdom group, where there's also an event and all the details are there as well.
Great, fantastic. So hopefully you're feeling a bit inspired, and I think you may like what we are preparing for you, because it's very beneficial for individuals and for the whole community. And we're really looking forward to meet you there. We're preparing lots of surprises, and yeah, healthy food, great knowledge for you, and yeah, and we will be having good vibes during the event, obviously, as you can feel it already, hopefully. So please stay in touch with us via Facebook or Eventbrite, or yeah, email, and yeah, if any questions, just be in touch. Thank you so much. I hope you to see you at 16th of July on Saturday, and yeah, hopefully it's gonna be a lovely day and sunny day. Thank you so much. See you there.
See you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.